Hello guys, welcome to the style series of my channel Style Crunch. I welcome you all. Today I am gonna make a video on how to buy products free on Flipkart. Yes guys, I am saying for free. Not really, it is buy now and pay later. So this option Flipkart has introduced, we'll look at it. We can buy certain products from certain sellers, that is for pay later. And also Flipkart has released this option for certain clients, customers like us who are loyal customers to Flipkart. So I have to buy this Boya mic for my YouTube channel and I hardly have money to buy it for now, but I can pay later. So I'm gonna buy this mic. I have selected buy now. This is my address on which I have to order this, so I'll click on continue. See guys, here are the options. Flipkart pay later, that is they're asking me to pay by 10 June. Then other options are also available, so currently I'm out of cash and out of money also, so I'm selecting Flipkart pay later. After this I'll confirm. They have redirected me to this accept and continue this terms and conditions of the pay later. So these are the terms and conditions I need to follow for pay later option. I'll accept this and continue, and this is how my item has been bought for free for now. 1 month I can use this and pay later by 10 June. Thank you guys. This is my order has been booked. You can see. I can view details.